What's up, guys? Welcome back to Shoney Small Engines. I have this Lawnboy that just came in with the Kohler motor on it, 149cc. I just wanted a new self-propelled cable replaced, but cable's not here yet. But I'm gonna unhook it while I'm under here. You need a needle nose to pinch the sides. All right, let's get this back on its bottom. Now, in order to get this spring out, I have to remove this one next to it, which is really stupid. So I cheated a little bit. Technically, you probably have to take the clutch cable off to get this out, because you can't get this cable out of the way to get the spring out. So I just bent this tab for a second, pulled the cable out. Once I put the new one in, I'm going to bend that tab back, and then the new cable, the drive cable, will go right through that hole right there. So this is what happened to the old cable. Top broke off. It doesn't glide very well either, so it's got a lot of torque on it and broke it. So again, it's going to reverse this process. Got to get the spring down through this hole. Again, I moved that cable out of the way. So once that's down, I'm going to bring this back over. And then I want to straighten out this tab that I bent to get this in. Once that's straight, I can put this in, put the spring on, get this rubber grommet back in, and then just got to hook up the top. So to make this easier on me, I'm going to remove this and these two bolts. And the one okay. All I gotta do is put that rubber grommet back in. All right, that's it. Again, guys, thanks for watching.